On the video, you can also hear several members of the Black Hebrew Israelites who were there as well, taunting the students for being white and yelling things such as, "White people, go back to Europe where you came from."
President Trump tweeting this morning this. So interesting to see progressive Democrat congresswomen who originally came from countries whose governments are a complete and total catastrophe, the worst, most corrupt and inept anywhere in the world, if they even have a functioning government at all, now loudly and viciously telling the people of the United States, the greatest and most powerful nation on earth, how our government is to be run. Why don't they go back and help fix the totally broken and crime-infested places from which they came? Then come back and show us how it is done. These places need your help badly. You can't leave fast enough. I'm sure that Nancy Pelosi would be very happy to quickly work out free travel arrangements. This tweet that you're just seeing now is clearly going to get, I think, a lot of discussion.
Someone's feeling very comedic today. If you don't like what this country stands for, you're not going to change it and take away all these things that Americans value so much. Like, if you don't like it, leave and go set up camp somewhere else. But you're not going to destroy what we have fought so hard and so long to value.
That's a good point.
As for Congresswoman Omar and other immigrants who find that America, well, just doesn't meet their standards of living, might I suggest this? How about a one-way plane ticket back to whatever third world hellhole you came from? And don't let the door hit you or the good Lord split you.
If you're not happy in the U.S., if you're complaining all the time, very simply, you can leave. You can leave right now.